begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So
welcome back. In today's video we are going to be installing this beautiful wig from Rani Hair. This wig will be linked below in the description box. Straight out the box, the wig looks really good. I'm trying out a brand new product and I am super excited to really jump into it and test it out. I've been waiting for someone to bring something out. This wig is a delicate hairline Swiss lace wig. It is a 13x6 cap. The color is a number 2, which is a soft brown. There's no red tones in this brown. It's just pure brown, and it is an 18-inch. This is the way the curls come straight out the box. Today I'm working straight out the box so that you all can see how easy this wig is to style. The lace looks really good. It's so natural, it's so invisible, and they did already bleach the knots. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is go ahead and push this hairline back. We are doing an instant lace melt and I'm excited and I don't want any hairs in the way, so I'm just gonna take my hot comb and push this back. This wig, I feel like I don't need to do anything to it. Of course, I can probably touch up the curls, but it already came with the bleach knots. It already came pre-styled with the parting. This is an 18-inch, but because it's curled, it looks a little bit shorter. I like the overall style that it comes with, so I'm just most likely going to refresh the style as we go. But let's get into today's wig install. The lace blend with the skin. You want a hairline that is nice. So let's remove this extra lace and then we'll get into the install. So I am going to just cut this back some, not to the hairline, but I'm leaving just a little bit of lace there. I will be installing this wig with the melting spray called My Sticky Little Secret. It's made by Miss Rosh Posh here on YouTube. She is a wonderful YouTuber. Just flawless with makeup, flawless with hair. I just wanted to support. I went to the website and I thought about what I wanted, because a lot of times with me personally, I like melting sprays. I do videos, so I switch out my wigs frequently. She do offer a range of just not the melting spray. She has the glue, she has the protector, she has the remover, everything on the website. I'm going to start off just with this product because this is what suits my everyday lifestyle, and I was very excited to try it. I love the fact that she has a range for everyone. Shipping was super fast. The packaging for this is so pretty. Like, this is how the box came. I love the soft pink. It's just really, really cute. I have like this Scan Me code, so if you guys want to scan it, the actual product, you can go ahead and do that. But yeah, I'm excited to try out this spray. Basically, this is a melting spray that is going to be for a daily use. They spray evenly and gently pats melting spray directly onto the lace. Tie down the lace with a melt band for about 5 to 10 minutes. Great product for simple installs. Oh my gosh, the packaging is so gorgeous. Like, look at that. That is gorgeous. So this is what the bottle looks like, and you get 3.9 fluid ounces basically, and it has a spray top here, as you can see. I don't know what it smells like. I'm always curious. Soft smell, not really intense, which is great for people who don't like something that's going to be really smelly. I like it. Just kind of want to see how long this is going to take so I can know when I have my melting sprays. Anyway, what I normally do is take them. Oh, okay, it's starting to get just a little bit sticky, but oh, okay, there we go. I had to blow it a little bit. You guys can tell, like, there's no white residue. Ooh, ooh. Now, since this application calls for the product to be sprayed over top of the lace, of course you want to make sure you get all of the hairs out of the way. If you do happen to have a hairline with your wig that is thicker, go under the lace, but I'm pretty sure you can use it under the lace and be just fine. Let's shake it up a little bit. Spray and just spray on top of the lace and rub like so. Not too much. I'm trying to not use too much of this. I'll start with this side. Okay, and I'm gonna pull the lace down this way, and we're gonna do the same thing. Okay. One thing I noticed is it takes just a little bit of time to dry, which give you enough time so that you can get your application down, which is great. Tie it down with the edge band around the hairline, get it nice and flat. I'm really excited to see what the result is going to be for the hairline, but for now I'm just going to go ahead and go down the parting. I didn't do the ball cap method because this is temporary I feel like the ball cap method will be mostly for if you are going to wear your wig long term, maybe a week or so. Take some of my wax stick and go down the hair. Alright, so to tame some of the frizz from the curls being in the box, I'm going to take my Proclaim glossing polish, and this eliminates frizz in the hair. And I'm just going to see what it do with this, because I don't want to curl the hairs today. If this helps, but if not, I may have to go back and touch up a few spots. Alright, let's do the big hairline reveal. Let's see what it looks like. Super excited. Let's see.
I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen.
Wow, that looks really good. So good. Like the lace, oh my god, like where's the lace? Wow, I love the way this turned out. It looks so good. Like the hair, the hairline, everything is just so easy. Like, product was so easy to apply. The packaging is gorgeous. Pretty sure I can get through my complete day. I'll be just fine. But when I tell you that it melted that lace down, like, girl, Miss Rosh Posh, I am blown away. Like, I don't know if you guys can see how well that is melting. Like, the lace on this wig was gorgeous to begin with. I normally use my other melting sprays, and I don't know what it is about this melting spray, but it definitely is like no halo. Like, I don't see no line from that lace at all. The product price, I think this is about $29 for the amount that you get. It's definitely a great deal. The packaging is gorgeous. I mean, girl, why not? But yeah, I love this product a lot. Again, I will be sure to put this wig down below in the description box for you guys. I will also put some discount codes down there, and all the products in today's video will be also linked in the description box for you guys. Yeah, like, I love it. I love it a lot. Like, this looks so good, so very good. Oh my god, this hair too is just gorgeous. So yeah, I will see you all back in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.
I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking,